Day I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
Hit your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling. Every
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today we got ourselves a banger daily market news analysis. So without any further ado, we got a poll going on. We should have it on TikTok as well as YouTube. Which do you guys think is coming first? We got 35K for Bitcoin or 55K, which is next for Bitcoin. You can vote below. We will reveal the results in about 10 minutes. The Humble One says the Jedi has returned. SA says, hey, what? How you doing, brother? It's been a while. Been missing out. My mom says, can you explain RSI, please? Do you have any examples of a time where the RSI is higher than you would like to see before you buy? I'm long on Bitcoin. Hello, brother. How are you? Should I close it? We'll get into it. Okay, so RSI, it stands for Relative Strength Index. Relative Strength Index. And what it does is it measures how strong relatively the asset that you're looking at is or how weak it is on a particular time frame. So this is the RSI right here. Mine resides at the bottom of my screen, right in here. And what it does is it measures how strong something is or how weak it is relatively. Now, so let's take a look at some examples. The bigger time frame that you go, the more information that is to be known. So like, let's look at Bitcoin on the weekly, right? So it gave us pretty clear indications on Bitcoin. If you look, it got as high as 96 right in here. So that right there is a it's not a lagging indicator. Realistically, it's a leading indicator, because this was already topped out when Bitcoin was here. And for me, and I've said this, from here on, this was all about the altcoins. This was the Bitcoin rally. So yeah, it went higher, but this lets you know this is an indicator on things are cooling off. And right now we've gotten as high as 86. And the same thing, like when you bottom out on the weekly, you get below 20 or you get into the 20s. Every time that Bitcoin has gotten into the 20s on a weekly time frame, the bottom was in. Now, no indicator is everything. You cannot just look at any one indicator and that's everything. But I do like this to show you how strong or how weak something is relatively. And the question was, do you have any examples of a time where the RSI is higher than you would like? Yeah, like right now. Like I would like to buy some Bitcoin, but it's pretty high. Everything, in my opinion, is still overheated relatively. And I think that what we're experiencing right now, if we look at the charts on Wyckoff accumulation, this is we're perhaps working on our LPS. Only way is up. Hey everyone, what do you think of COQ on AVAX? Will Doge go back up? Can you show us the video, please? Talk about Gronk. The bots. Did you get the airdrop? I didn't get the airdrop. The Jedi returns. Yo, boy. Yo, Ski. Yo, boy. Thank you. That's going on with ETH. Hi, bro. I'm Joesh from Dallas. What up, Joesh? Bull Party says, can I get an update on Sauce? Buy zones, maybe take a peek at play 3 games too. Thanks, brother. He said, make sure you guys are spam that like button. You guys know the deal. Every 5,000 likes, we will do a free giveaway. You're my favorite crypto influencer. What's your opinion on Chainlink in the coming months? I really like Chainlink. Chainlink is a strong coin in my opinion. It's a fundamental coin. It has also already been rocking and rolling. And I think that we're going to backtest the prior trading range. H-bar and mask. I got you, brother. Can you do Sui V-Chain? Bro, my mate is asking whether the Bitcoin will hit 100,000 in the bull run. Yeah, I think so. My lowest my lowest target is about 88,000. So I think that 100,000 is pretty reasonable. My bulk target is 207 and my medium case is 135. Damn, I'm late to the party. You're not late to the party. We're just getting started, my friend. We're just getting started. Can you do Bitcoin? Yeah, let's take a look at Bitcoin and then we'll take a look at H-bar and mask after I do Bitcoin. So right now, what I think is going on right now is clear Wyckoff distribution. This has been my thesis for a while now. Did you just say 235? 135 is my medium case scenario in 2025. My high case scenario is 207. Whoever is late, bring the likes. That's right. Bring the action. You better bring, if you're coming late to the party, come with some likes. So right now, this is Wyckoff distribution, which is how you measure a top, and the same thing is how you measure a bottom. It's just kind of flipped. Wyckoff accumulation. This to me is exactly what we're doing right now. Right now, we're still in the full moon energy, which is typically bearish, and I would anticipate us to perhaps get a UTAD, but I honestly think that this is where we are at the LPS right now, which would be your last point of support, which could get us up into the 44s, maybe even the 45K range in the upcoming weeks, probably in the next couple of weeks. I would anticipate us to get into that range. And this to me would be a classic bull trap, which a bull trap is exactly what it sounds like. It is when the price goes up and people think that it's going to go higher, and that is just liquidity to grab for the bears, or for the bulls, basically for the market makers to grab the liquidity of the bears. The poll ended without any votes. You guys, so we got some votes on YouTube. It looks like, all right, let's do it. We'll do another quick poll on TikTok. We're going to do another quick poll on TikTok. We'll do, everybody vote on TikTok. We're going to give it 10 minutes. Cast your vote. Which comes next? I just told you what I think's next. Which comes next for Bitcoin? Spoiler alert, I gave you the answer already. You guys are cheating. So yeah, I think that a bear trap, or a bull trap rather, no poll. Some people are voting. Anyone that says 55K. 35K for the humble one. 35K. So this is what I think is in store for us in the coming weeks. It will get exciting. Listen, I'm sort of like my number one strength, if you will, is gauging emotions. That's my number one strength. All right? And I can promise you right now, when we start to get up in here, it's going to feel bullish. You're going to start to feel a little bit of FOMO. All right? Now, to protect yourself, I don't think it's a terrible time. It's always a good time to DCA, but I don't think it's a terrible time to DCA. Even if we go to 45K and you come back to 35K, I mean, what are you down here? 20%, but you're going to average it out. I think it's a pretty good time to start DCAing. Now, what I will be doing is every Monday, every Friday, I will be buying, because that's when my DCAs come out. Now, I have some USDT on the sideline. I have some USDC on the sideline, and I will buy more Bitcoin when we get below about 37K. What's DCA? DCA stands for dollar cost average. And that is the very, very best chance, the very best strategy for new people and for old people. It's the best strategy for 99% of people. It means you buy a little bit each and every week, regardless of price. Because here's the thing, Bitcoin gives you plenty of opportunities of sideways and boring. It evens out. We have 5% of these crazy runs. So 5% of the time, Bitcoin looks like this. Just rockets and moons, right? And then 5% of the time, Bitcoin looks like this. It's just going to hell and it's scary. And then the rest of the 90% of the time, it looks exactly like this. It's just sideways and boring. Day trading is astrology to investors. There's no thesis here. So check it out, bro. If you were not here, I called the bottom on the day, 6 months in advance. I called every single local bottom along the way. I made tweets about why this was a local bottom and to recognize the feeling on why and how this feels right here. I said that we were going to go to 38K or I would shave my head, and I said the real move was 48K. This is my track record. Do with that information what you will. What's the next local bottom? About 35K. We could get into the 30s, but realistically, the move, the actual structural move, is 35K. We could get into the low 30s. The best strategy is to DCA. Please tell me you outperform the stock market. Yes, I have outperformed the stock market, because check it out. I bought 16K and I sold 48K. Factual evidence, video evidence that I did that. That is over 200%. That is about 25 years adjusted for inflation of stock market gains in 1 year. I smashed the stock market in the teeth. I vote 55K, but mid 30s definitely on the table. I hope it's Wyckoff. I'll be able to accumulate more. Yeah. Bro, what do you think about ICP? I like ICP, but ICP worries me. Because it's like, it's very shilled. I like ICP. I like their technology. Their inflation is a little weird to me. And I don't like how it's weird that there's kind of like a cult-like community. Says, bro, I can testify whatever you said came true. Do you use Hakashini Ashi candles? I don't trade off of candles. I just like these because I think they look good. But that's what I'm using. But I'm not a what do you call it? I'm not a candle pattern trader. That's not what I do. I was talking about ICP. ICP shilled heavily out of nowhere. You bit long will go down again 39K. Price target's about 35K. Ski outperformed everyone. Yeah. H bar. All right, yeah, let's look at your coins. So that's the end of that. You know who ICT is? I don't. Who is it? We're at 3,000 likes. Thoughts on Crow? I like Crow. And Crow, listen. I'm not on a leash anymore. We could talk about some weird stuff if you guys want to talk about some weird stuff. Damn. I will testify also. Ski has been right to the point. Listen, I'm going to tell you about Crow. If you know, you know. That's all I'm going to say about Crow. Crow is a part of the club, if you know what I'm saying. That's all I'm going to say. Unless you guys want to talk about it. Just watch bro's videos. Top coins for the bull run, small and large caps. Thoughts on Hope R? Yeah, let's talk about Crow. What club? Listen, before I get distracted and go off down the rabbit hole. Saturn equals Crow. Yeah, Robert knows what's up. That's right. Before I get distracted and go down the rabbit hole, let me look up my man's coins. Because if anybody is a member on TikTok or YouTube, we will do your guys' TA. Let's hear about Crow. So what was it? It was H-bar. And what was the other one? Mask. All right, yeah. So I'm making my decisions off of H-bar purely off of, well, not purely, but as far as price goes, I'm making my decisions off of H-bar off of the market cap rather than the price. And I think the retracement, you're looking at about another 1x to about 1.2x from current price. And the parabolic, you're looking about at 8.5x from current price. What are your top coins? Top 4 are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Quant. All right, listen. I'm not going to call it shilling a coin because I don't have this coin yet. I'm going to give you guys a gem that I'm considering placing a bag in. What was the other one? Mask. But I'm waiting. I'm waiting for a cool off because it just went crazy. Mask. Retracement is 11.49. And the parabolic is 54. I like XCC. Where are we at? 4,000 likes. All right. Let's go over here to Coin Market Cap. What was I doing? Oh yeah, Crow. They said they want to talk about Crow. What do you think the reason for people FOMOing into the market? Because, listen, that's a great question. That's a great question, and I'm going to give you the answer. The answer is because that's what they do at every single local top. Whether it's a all-time top, like in 2025 when the actual top is coming in, or if it's the retracement top. Every single time, this is exactly what happens. In every single bottom, people fear sell the bottom. It's what happens over and over and over and over and over again. You said you're going to give us a gem. I do not own this coin. What up, real talk? What do you think about Ben QI? I do not think about it. Found your channel a few weeks ago. Happy I did. Hey, I'm happy you found it too. Gala. I like Gala. Gala is solid. Can you do XTC, XLM? All right. One at a time. All right, so they said they wanted to know about Crow. Crow's a part of the group. All right? Crow's a part of the club, and then I'll give you guys a gem that I have not bought yet that I will be in the future when it cools down. Gala or Immutable? Let me get Gala. I like Rose. All right. Let's look at their website and see if we can find anything. So first of all, right off the bat, what do you guys see here? Let me know in the comments. Crow's a high market cap. It is a high market cap. You're indeed. You missed out earlier. I told everyone that Crow is a part of the club. I said that Crow is a part of the club. If you know, you know. Can you tell me if you're doing it or not? Doing what? Rose? What club? Can I be a part of the club too? You don't want to be a part of this club. So is Crow good then? Nothing is good. Nothing is bad. I got a fat bag of Rose. All right, first thing you guys see. What do you guys see here, man? I see a hex right off the rip. I want to thank you mentioning sauce last winter. I got a bag at 1.5 cents and she's like 10x. Hexagon. All right, let's look up my man Crow knows. Because that's who it's after. What in the world? What do we got here? Ah! Not that one. This is who it is. This is who the coin is named after. What in the world is going on? Where is he? Here he is. This is who that coin is named after. Kronos is Father Time. It literally is called Kronos. It didn't used to be called Kronos. They changed it to Kronos. This used to be called Crypto.com, which is the app, and then they just changed it to Kronos. How convenient. Why did they change it to Kronos? Kronos is Father Time. All right. Let's look at sauce before we go too far down the rabbit hole here. Saturn is a hexagon. That's right. So anything, almost, I don't want to say anything, but almost anything with a hex is in tribute to Saturn, which is a tribute to this guy right here, who is Saturn. Satoshi. Anything that has this hex on it is a tribute to this guy right here. This is Father Time. So we know him as Saturn or Satan or Lucifer or whatever. So any club, if you will, that is a part of this, they rule this realm, so therefore they are a winner. Chainlink 2, that's right. Quant 2. All the ISO coins. What is this about, Ski? All right, that's enough. That's enough. Thoughts on Sei? Esoteric, that's right. Esoteric. What was the other one? That's enough. All right, let's look at Sauce just because I want to look at it. Because he asked me, what are the price? All right, this is already at like the 2618. We could get into the 3618 of 11.6 or even 13 cents. This is to where like I've already taken a little bit off the table here. For me, the reaccumulation is going to be somewhere between 5 cents, 5.9 cents, and about 4 cents. Alpha. When is pumping? Yeah, what are you talking about? Yeah. I'm just letting you know, like, there's a certain group of coins that are a part of a club. That's it. That's all. Above 84 cents, it's possible. When will Bitcoin hit 35K? Soon. All right, so the polls came in. 76% of you guys said 35K is first. Why are you ignoring? I'm not ignoring, bro. I'm reading every single comment. Are you investing in the coins a part of the club? I have some of them. I know what it is, though. And on TikTok, 7 of you said 35K. 3 of you said 55K is next. LCX is part of the club too? Is it? It might be. Let me see. Let me find out, bro. Let me find out. Let's see. I bet they are. Are they a part of the club? Let's see. It was at Davos. Yeah. You're probably right then. People are scared to speak up nowadays for views. I'm ready for the bull run. Been buying since 16K. If we dip to 34 to 35K, I'm adding to my bags. Let's go, Scotty. Will club coins 10x? They probably will. They probably will. Because you have to understand, like, who's in charge of this realm? It's the people in the club. All right, let's see. Well, they got... Here we go. We scroll down. We got Jupiter. We got Neptune, Mercury, and the moon. LCX earn. Isn't it weird? Like, I scrolled for 32 seconds. Illuminati confirmed. LCX ecosystem and partners, Chainlink, Quant. Hedera. Hedera is definitely a part of the club. Yep. How much will the total market cap on crypto or on LCX? Crypto. I have a target of 8.8 billion or trillion. $8.8 trillion is my target. Question mark. Both, please. Harmony 1. And you have to understand about the market cap is that's not such a fluid thing. Does that make sense? Like, it's not as fluid as just, where's your rain? Look, I didn't put that stuff there. They put that there. I didn't put it there. The gym. All right, they want the gym. All theories. XRP ain't going anywhere. Didn't pump well last run. Maybe. We will see. My theory is it's working on a bigger cycle. And it was last bull run was just a retracement. Last bull run was in fact just a retracement. But the question is, why did it only retrace? Did it only retrace because it only retraced, or did it only retrace because it's going to have a bigger move? What do you think of Deppin? Esoteric runs these markets. The news never matters. That's facts. You have to understand. Listen. That's such a good point. Listen, you have to understand. This might sound like weird and like, what is this dude with the freaking Sokka haircut talking about right now? You have to understand who the hell is like in charge. Who is running the show? This isn't what I believe. I don't believe in this stuff. But I can tell you that the people who own all of this stuff, this is what they believe. And if they own it all, they're in charge of it all, that makes it real. At least for this stuff. It's not what I believe. I'm telling you, that's what they believe. And if they believe it, it's real. 6.5K likes. All right, guys. Thank you for the money gun, you savage. We'll check it out.
Rise to the top, oh yeah.
We'll check it out. You think Satoshi is part of the group? Listen. I do. Satoshi is like a mythical character. Satoshi, who is Satoshi? Satoshi's not real. Like, that's not their real name. Can you make it short about your gym? It says 8.4K. It says your message was retracted. His message was redacted. All right, we made it to 8K likes. If you're new here, I will give away a free exit strategy for whatever coin you want on how I would play it in the bull market. If you want to win, all you have to do is guess the number that I'm thinking of. The number is between 1 and 100. YouTube, go. TikTok, go. 66. 77, 15, 33, 21, 69, 72, 56, 72, 66, 33, 77, 69, 13, 10, 88, 47, 88, 99, 12, 88, 59, 12, 99, 23, 68, 55, 17, 57, 28, 23, 666, 14, 666 again, 99, 11, 57, 11, 70, 11, 11, 100, 91, 76, 89. All right, I'll give you guys a hint. It is above 20 and below 80. That is your hint. No, I lied. It is above 20 and below 90. I just gave you a really big hint. $47, $43, $38, $8, $80, $82 is the winner. Joyce Sylvia on YouTube is the winner. $82. Make sure no one else got it. William Bug as well. William Bug and Joyce are the winners. Quantum. Project Quantum. All right. Dude, I said 82 first. Did you? I'm going to look. I'm going to check the receipts. Let's see. Let's see. So you said 83, 84. Okay, you said 82. I see where you said 82, but I think he said it first. Let me see. Let me see. We are bidding for your crypto wallet. La la la. Nope. William Bug said it first, brother. He said it way up there. Don't worry. We do this every 5,000 likes. He said it way up there. You should do a lottery for ETH every week. Maybe. $82K Bitcoin. It did. I actually did. I said it first, damn it. Can you do quantum? We'll look at it at some point. Bitcoin pumps. What happening on Fog? You said we'll go down to 35K. We will. You missed it, brother. This is the LPS. What's the gem? Joyce. What's your coin? You won, Joyce. You won on YouTube. And then somebody else who won on TikTok. I forget. William Bug. All right, here's the gem. Saucer swap. Saucer swap's already parabolic. I would already exit it. I will give you a projection, but this is a very loose projection because it's already in the parabolic. Projection for ETH is 7 to 15K. All right. All right, I don't have any of this coin. And I don't recommend you buy it just yet. I don't recommend you do anything. I'm not buying it yet. Here's the gem that I have my eyeballs on. Because all of America will have their eyeballs on him for the next, I don't know, 5 years. All right, I'll give you guys a hint. I'm gonna give you guys a chance to get this, to guess this. The low market cap gem. The hint is, I have my eyeballs on it because all of America will have their eyeballs on it for the next 5 years. It's Trump coin. It is. All right, you guys already got it. Megan got it. The coin is called MAGA. Trump coin. It's already went parabolic twice. This thing did a 15x in the last 15 days. Now, I'm waiting for it to get around $1 and I will start accumulating. Not financial advice. But basically what you're betting on is you're betting that the orange-haired man will garner attention. Check. Yeah, okay. We'll go over. We'll look at the actual coin. This is the coin. There's lots of imposters. This is the one right here. It is $1.57. If you go on their website, it will tell you how to buy it. You can buy it using ETH or using Sol. I would probably use Sol. So there you go. Maximum supply of 47 million. You're essentially betting on the attention that the orange man will garner for the next 5 years. I would say that he will probably garner a lot of attention. I don't think that that's a crazy bet. Puke. Yo, Ski, will ETH go below 2K again? It might go to 2K. Is election year bullish? It's the halvening year. Is there a Biden coin? I don't think there is. Listen, don't hate it. Don't date it. Just trade it. Do you think Mr. Orange Man will get a lot of attention? If yes, it might be something to add to your bag. If no, then don't. So there you go. That's my gem that I have my eyeball on. I haven't bought any yet. Biden coin would be called old AF. No, because we're not in a cult. I'm not in a cult. I'm just here to make money. All right, saucer swap. That was the one I was supposed to do. Wally never told me what coin he wants me to do. We're at all right, so I'm going to do a projection for this one because it's already parabolic. Okay, so let's say it gets to the 3618. This is where I would take 80% of the rest of the bag, or 60%. At about 11 cents. Okay. But I'm going to do a projection. and say it gets back to 11 cents and then it pulls back to about 5 cents for a saucer swap. This is a complete projection. Then your new parabolic would be about 29 cents. TIA. All right. When you think the next pullback hard dump will happen again? For what? For the whole market? So if this is how it would play out, I would be reaccumulating anywhere between about 6 cents and about 4 cents. That's where I would want to reaccumulate this. And then I would get rid of it at 20% at 8.9 cents, 20% at 15 cents, 20% at 23 cents, and the remainder at 29 cents, holding 20% forever. That's how I would play that. Full market dump. I think that we're working on Wyckoff distribution, which is how you measure a top. Okay, so we'll just look at Bitcoin, but essentially Bitcoin is the market, and this is basically what I think is going on right now. So this is Wyckoff. You have your preliminary support, your buying climax, your automatic reaction, your up thrust, and then your UTAD, which is this higher point right here. Right now, what I think we're working on is our LPSY, which would bring us into about the 44, 46K range, somewhere in there. And that would be a bull trap. And then the next couple of weeks after that, maybe a week, we're going to get our dump into the mid to low 30s. Monday, 8:30, back to dumping. It's very possible. We are in the full moon energy. 29 cents for 2025. Yeah, that's like a really loose projection. That's off of charts. I mean, realistically, off of fundamentals, this thing could easily, or saucer swap, could get into the 50-cent range. It could get into the $1 range, but that's just projection based off of charts. But like if we look at MAGA coin, this thing did multiple parabolic runs in the matter of like 180 days. So like you have your fib here, you have your bull run here, it crashed down. What is the percentage here? 92%. Before it went on another bull run up 58x. That's insane. Before crashing down again, like Sauce could do the point of what I'm saying is Sauce could do something like this. Multiple fibs playing out on the way up. Crashing down 77% before going up a 15x. And then now, like, how far are we going to crash down again? I'm not sure. We're already down 43% from the top. You skipped me, brother. I'm just... Max says, I know. Check the CA. Up the rest. All right, we'll look at Quantum. Q. There's a Trump coin on Solana that pumped last night. Yeah, this coin is on Solana. That's where I'm going to buy it. Because, like, bro, like the Ethereum gas fees in the bull market are going to be a nightmare. If something is on Polygon and you're just wanting it for price, any coin, this goes for every coin. If something is on Polygon or something is on Solana, rather than Ethereum, I would recommend buying it there because I'm telling you now, the Ethereum gas fees in the bull market are going to be a nightmare. You're gonna be talking about what is this? Quantum QUA. I mean, you're talking about like paying $50 to $150 for a transaction. So if you can buy something on Solana or Polygon or Arbitrum or whatever rather than on Ethereum, I would advise you to do that. Okay. Is this the coin right here, brother? Fees still tax. That's all I do now is meme coins on Solana. I make so much more money doing that than I do trading. Are they lowering fees? Is who lowering fees? Ethereum? That's a myth. I've been very strong on that. Like the idea that the merger is going to fix the gas fees is a myth. Liquidity won't be a problem on other chains. Solana has an imposter that bumped yesterday. QBIT. This is on Uniswap. Yeah, not a lot of data for this thing, man. I don't like the data that I do see, though. There's not enough data for me to give you a projection on price, though. QB IT. Yeah, I don't see a chart for her, dude. Yeah, I mean, you would hope that, like, I don't know anything about the inflation on this thing, but the fact that it was at, what was it at? This is kind of a meme coin, no? Like, why does it have, I don't like stuff that has this many zeros. All right, I'll give you a projection. Percentages. 15x just to the 236. This thing's either going to go to zero or it's going to smash. I don't like stuff that has 17 zeros that isn't a meme coin. Are you talking about an 18x, the retracement, though? If we get a big dip, look at Deso. It's already pumped, so don't buy it now. Thoughts on XRP during the bull run? $5 to $15 is my target. Decentralized. I forgot about this one. Yeah, this is Wyckoff right here. This is textbook Wyckoff accumulation. 17 zeros on the wrong side of it. Yeah, I don't like stuff that looks like that, to be honest. It would either do a 17x or go to zero. I'm not sure which one, but yeah, this is Wyckoff accumulation right here. So it's probably this candle right here was your sort of back test. You would look to fill this out, and this would be your area of value would be in the 20s, in the mid to low 20s for this one. But yeah, I mean, we're talking like retracement of 114, a 2x to 17x for parabolic. All right, what coins? What coins should I research? What are your low market caps that I need to research? We're at 8,444 likes. Is Arbitrum a low market cap? I don't think so. Win. Sui. Where is Arbitrum? I feel like Arbitrum's in the top 20, no? Okay, it's not in the top 20. I thought it was up here. Sui's top 50. I wouldn't say that's a low market cap. I thought Arbitrum was. Maybe I missed it. AIOZ. WIM. Let me see. Where is it? Yeah, number 39. That's not a low market cap. That's a high to mid. Got wrecked last 2 nights. Soul memes. Both times wife asked for help. Came back to 0. Damn. You hate to see it. Honey. You're not the first person to tell me about Honey. Hunter Biden's laptop. The ticker is laptop. Let's see. Let me find out. Bro. Is there really a coin called bro, there really is. What the hell? Oh my god, there's really a coin called Hunter Biden's laptop. This is how you know we're getting in banana land right now. Total supply of 1.1 billion. Arbitrum getting ready to double supply. Why do you say that? XYO? I like XYO. I'd say XYO is a low market cap. Joe? Bro, this is hilarious. Whoever told me about this is hilarious. Like, who in the world made this coin? Oh my god. Double supply in March. Yeah, you don't love that. Oh, that's hilarious. Let me look up Honey. I feel like I've heard about that one before. Honey. Let me go back. What do they got here? What is this? Buy a Desham. What is a Desham? Is this like a network type deal? This is like H&T type stuff. Just got listed on Coinbase. Use the map. That's flat Earth. Oh, it's a dash cam. Bro, they're spying on you, bro. Let me find out. Insurance. Oh, they put a camera in your house, bro. Come on. Honey like Google Maps. Hiver map. That's pretty cool. I'm just messing around. What's the how high is it? Number 474. So this is a low market cap. I would say that this is a low market cap. It's on Coinbase. You can make money using it. Calvin Hill talks about it as what happened. Joe. All right, let's look at Joe. Oh yeah, this one's on H-bar, no? This is an H-bar coin, no? Or AVAX. I'm about to buy the Hunter Biden's laptop coin just for the memes. Bro, do you dare even look on their website? Who told me about that? Wait. Hunter. Oh, no. Wait. It was literally a laptop. Yeah, here it is. Let me look at their website. Do they have a website? It's literally called laptop. Oh my god. Here's their Twitter page. You know, this is, I don't know. No, they're not verified on Twitter. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. They're not verified on Twitter. Sorry, guys. Caspa. They pay you honey to have a camera in your car. 1 per mile. 1 honey per mile. That's pretty cool. If you like people spying on you. I guess it's like to update their maps, I guess. Volume. Okay, max supply. What is that? 100,000, 10 billion. That's not the worst thing in the world. Let me pull up a chart on this thing. What am I doing? Honey. SMT. Oh boy. Yeah, I don't like that chart. It makes sense though. From like, I mean, this thing touched the parabolic when it got listed on Coinbase. Trias. That's when you want to sell stuff, like the day before it gets listed on Coinbase. You want to sell before Elon Musk goes on Saturday Night Live. You don't want to wait till after. The ticker is honey. Are you looking at the right one? I think so. H. Let's look at that one. Yeah, show me your guys's, because this is the stage. Like, I'm going to keep it real with you. Now, I'm going to be accumulating a lot of Bitcoin, but now is when I'm going to play the slot machines and buy all the random coins. Now is when you everyone's a genius. Oh, this is an H-bar coin. Bullish on all H-bar coins. Win just had an airdrop. Y'all missed out. It's trending one. All right. Yeah, this is an H-bar coin. What is this? 50 billion hustle. Self-reported. Max supply is 50 billion. Show me your guys's Smart node. World's first carbon negative. How do you, what are they sucking the carbon out of the air? What is it? How does that even work? They're just, we're carbon negative. Honey is on Solana. Yeah, I'm tracking that. We're the world's first. I like H-bar coins though. Saucer Swap did a 10x for me. Be careful on new coins. Sometimes they have a really big buy tax. Yeah, be wary of the coins with like 96% buy tax. Where did I find that one? Yeah, you can go on Etherscan and somewhere you can look at it. I forget how to do it. I did it somewhere. To be continued. You want to look at the I forget how to do it. To be continued. We'll get back to that. All right, what was the other one? Let's degen up. Win. Dex pools. Win. It's like Win Moon, bro. Oh, damn. She went to 0.
Oh, it went to 0. Yo!
Caspa. Welcome, Space Cadets. Oh, sign me up. This sounds like exactly what I'm looking for. Welcome, Space Cadets. You are currently looking at the first token launch for Jupiter. Beta LFG Launchpad. This sounds like it's a total... Oh, this is like Saucer Swap. It's like Saucer Swap. This is a DEX, huh? 1 trillion win. Dex Pools. That's right. Dex Pools has the audits. Yeah, Dex Tools. That's a really good it's a Jupiter meme coin. Jupiter is like the anti-Saturn if you're into astrology. Jupiter is the good guy. Holder says ravening. Let's look at raving. Give me your guys's show me your meme coins. I don't see this one. Or show me your low caps. Raven. Oh, Raven. I like Raven, but I don't know. I mind Raven. I don't know. They're just kind of boring to me. I don't know. Let's look at their roadmap, though. Maybe they got some stuff in store. 21 billion faster blocks. Dark gravity wave. Voting. Mobile wallet compatibility. Meme coin. I read that wrong. He's just gonna skip over Caspa, huh? Listen, Caspa's already like It already did its thing, bro. We're waiting for it to come back. I'll give you a projection on Caspa if it comes back, how I think it's going to. How about that? Because Caspa already went crazy. Like, Caspa went to the 4.236 extension with a 93 on the daily RSI, and it also got as high as 90 on the weekly. And we're talking about, what did it do, like a 20x? So I just think that we're going to come back at a minimum to 6.5 cents and maybe as low as 5 cents. So if we were to get into the 6 cents range, then you could project that the next run would take you into the 39 cents as high as 44 cents. But right now, it's already went crazy. It already did 20x. It already went to the maximum parabolic. I would anticipate a nice pullback, and it already has. It had already pulled back a lot, but I still think it's going to pull back some more. So, like, from the top to the bottom, it's pulled back 40%. But I think we're going to get into the 6.7, 7 cents, somewhere in there. Skippity skip. Thoughts on Cetify? Star Atlas. You did TA on Bitcoin already? I did, but we'll do it again. We'll do it every hour. At the top of the hour. Yeah, that's a good idea. Every hour we'll do Bitcoin recap TA. And then we'll get back thoughts on Honey. We just went over Honey pretty thoroughly. Please check Alluvium. All right, so basically, this is what I think is in store for Bitcoin. I think that we are working on Wyckoff distribution. Demo for the win. Demo for the win. I think that we're working on Wyckoff distribution. Clear divergence here. This to me is your buying climax. Then you have your automatic reaction, your secondary test, your sign of weakness goes a little bit lower, your up thrust, followed by your UTAD goes a little bit higher. And right now, I think that we're working on our LPSY, which would bring you into about 44, as high as perhaps 45,000. This could be it, though. 42 could be it. Okay, let me make that clear. But I think what is next is a bull trap, and we're going to get into the mid to low 35K for Bitcoin. Now, go up thrust. For me, this is not a bad place. Like, I'm DCAing here. I'm dollar cost averaging. I'm buying a little bit every week, every Monday, every Friday. I don't think it's a terrible spot. Now, if we get into the mid 30s, I have dry powder on the sidelines, aka USDT and USDC. I will be buying some more Bitcoin. I'm also looking to get into some degen coins. Yeah, we went over. I mean, I think it's a cool idea for Honey. There's not a lot of data on it, though, as far as like TA. Star Atlas. Is that a... This is the slot machine time, in my opinion. Not really, but like, you want to be heavy in Bitcoin because still, during this bull run, this whole ride right here is going to be all about Bitcoin. But this, in my opinion, is the time where you could start to be okay, you know, having 20 plus coins. You know, where I was really consolidated for all of this ride, I was heavy into Bitcoin. I'm still going to be heavy into Bitcoin, but I think it's okay to have more coins at this stage in the game. What degen coins? I don't know. You guys tell me. What degen coins? Demo for the win. Let's look up Demo. Let me know the degen coins. Let me look up demo. Or demo. 341. Beam. Bonk. Bonk I still think is in overheated territory. I want a degen coin that hasn't done anything yet. What is this? So what is that? 1 billion? Yeah, 1 billion max supply. This is a Polygon coin. Oh yeah, I know Demo. Demo. Welcome to Demo. Open and user owned. Better relationships with technology. So you can get in a relationship with your AI coin, or you can be in a relationship with your robot and have babies and live happily ever after. I'm just kidding. Technology should be empowering rather than confusing or limiting. That's true. I mean, this website's clean. I'm not like I'm being silly, but this website is clean. This is clean website here. Govern. All right, so here's their roadmap. Maybe. 1 billion supply is my favorite for any coin, by the way. I think that 1 billion is a good spot to be at. I think this is a cool idea. Maybe. Drivers, is this like Uber? Put your data to work and get rewarded. See, this is the cool thing. This is why I use Brave right now. Right now, I'm using Brave web browser. Right? I'm using Brave. Does it show that I'm using Brave? There we go. Brave. You can see it. I'll do another one. Usually it like is kind of front and center. Of course, it wants to make a liar out of me. That's cool. But I use Brave because I want to protect my data, and I don't like it that companies just sell and steal my data and sell it. So I think that is a cool idea, that at least you're getting paid for your data. Where did my thing go? At least they're like, yeah, we're selling your data. Here's your reward. Like, that's better than just like, we're stealing your data and we're selling it and there's not a damn thing you can do about it. So that's cool. Mobile. I don't want people to have my data, but I think that this is a better model, is what I'm saying. I'm cool on just my data. You know, but I think that this is a better model than like what Facebook and like all the other things are doing right now, where they just like, your data is like oil. They're making money off of you. They're selling it to all these different companies, and you don't get nothing for it other than unsolicited ads. This is a better model where it's like, yeah, we have your data, but you're going to get paid for it. In my opinion. Like, that's cool. All right, so demo. I don't know how to say it. Might be one that we researched more. So what do we got? We got, for the degen, we're going to make a degen. I wouldn't even call that a degen, but just like low market caps that we're going to research more. We got MAGA that I like. We got demo. What else? Shield me your guys' coins. Chlor AI. I still like, by the way, I still like DNX. That's my shield, DNX. It hasn't done anything, and that's what you like to see, because that's typically how it goes. It will do nothing, and then it will go crazy. All right, what do we got here? Total supply. Maximum supply is 2 dashes. We don't love that. But currently the total supply is 284 million. What was your gem? Missed that. DNX. We'll take a look at their website. Delta November X-ray. That's my low market cap gem that I really like. Distributed supercomputers that fit your needs. Okay, so like, this is cool, but the reason that I like DNX is because it does that same thing, but it actually has the actual literal computing power to do so, because it uses the miners across the world. So maybe this does too. Mining. Is this a mineable coin? If it's a mineable coin, I will add this to my list, because I am bullish on all mining coins. It is mineable. Proof of hash, proof of POH. All right, we might add this one to the list. Because like the thing about AI coins, where I've always been like, where you, that like made me scratch my head, was miners love Caspa. That's the thing. Like, why did Caspa do a 20x? And I've said this many times. Where the miners go, liquidity flows. Where the liquidity flows, 5x, 10x, 100x follows. Caesar, thank you for subscribing on TikTok, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Yeah, bro, it's kapow, so much power. I probably won't mine it then. I'll probably just buy it. Okay, so I'm going to add this to my list of degen coins. This isn't a degen. So we got Chlor, something that I'm interested in learning more about. Chlor AI. That's a solid one. We'll take a look at DNX, because it is the same. Maybe it's like the same thing. It's a GPU mineable coin, just like that one, but this one uses less power. Decentralized supercomputing, proof of useful work is their thing. And we'll look at their website. But it actually, I like Chlor AI. The reason why I'm interested in learning more about it, at least, is how I would play it, is all these AI coins. It's like, where is their computing power coming from? I like this because it actually has computing power. Or I'm interested in it because it actually has computing power. I like DNX because it actually has computing power. Like when they say AI, where is the actual power coming from? So pharmaceutical, finance, all kind of stuff. Like this thing it's a lot like the same thing. It's supercomputing. It utilizes the hive of all of the miners across the world to do that. LFG, XRP, half the chat sleeping on the like button. Spam that like button. CGPT, great AI play, bro. Alex. So this is my low cap gen, is DNX. This is the one that I'm the most excited about. LeBron Jenkins. Robert says DNX is my biggest micro cap bag. All right, let's look at Alex. Shill me your guys's. I need to change the title to just shill me your low market caps. Show me your low market caps. Jill says Alex. Let's look at that one. Because this is the stage where I think you can afford to be more diverse with your portfolio. I'm going to be heavy in Bitcoin still, but I will diversify my holdings a little bit. So this is number 248. So this is definitely a low cap. Maximum supply of 1 billion. Love that. All right, let's look at their... We got 76 tabs open right now, guys. Let's get the people out of the club out of here. Let's get rid of some of these tabs. All right. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. Build finance on Bitcoin. Okay, that's interesting. Alex, the Lion. BRC 20. Kickstart, trade, connect. Discover the ecosystem. Meet the team. Dr. Chan, Miss Rachel Yu, and Dr. I'm not going to try to pronounce that. And there's also this guy with laser eyes, Kyle. You'd love to see that. So investors, OKX is the only one that I know. Security audits. Well, let's look at their security audit. Wait, what was the one? What was the website? Dex Tools. Yeah, this is how you guys should do that too. Dex Tools. And let's look up Alex. Let's look at their audit. It's a BNB chain, right? I don't know. I'd have to look up the token, I guess. I don't see it. All right. It looks kind of cool, though. What else? Myra BRC20. Okay. BRC, because that's like Bitcoin, right? I don't. Maybe it's not on this website. Yeah, I don't think it's on here. That's okay. It's on Mexi. No, I was just looking at the audit. I was trying to find the audit. Website to track whales with. Hi, bro. I mean, if you get their wallet, bro, like you can literally go on Etherscan and it'll tell you. Like if it's an Ethereum coin, not this one. Like, if you have the token, like, let's go to top. Let's literally do, like, if I wanted to track, say, what did I want to track? Maybe Link. Well, you can go to holders. And here you go. Like now you're tracking their shit. Like here's all the addresses right here. So this guy right here holds 4% of all of Chainlink. And we can see like exactly what he's doing. What you up to, my boy? You thought you could hide, huh? CoinGlass is a good whale tracker. All right, what does he got? So, yeah, he started buying in December of 23. And bro's just been steady. So he's up. So like this dude is probably going to sell. So like I know how much he's up too. Like that's the crazy thing. Like what's he up? Let's go to link. Like let me show you how this stuff works, y'all. I'm giving y'all the keys to the castle, right? All right, so December of 23. Oh, he just like FOMO'd in. That's what he did. See, sometimes whales aren't so smart. My man bought the top. That's what he did. He bought right here. My man bought at $16.93. Just because you got a lot of money doesn't make you so smart. But yeah, like you can see everything that he's done. You can see his transfers. My man bought the top. Whoops. Where did I go? So yeah, this is how you can do that. You could go to Ethereum. We could do the same thing. We could figure out probably like Vitalik's wallet. Same thing. If I could yeah, just be curious. Nah, he likes to talk about other things too. Who you got going to the Super Bowl? Listen. I hope for the love of God. Listen. I'm tired of the NFL just cramming Taylor Swift. Get your Taylor Swift. Like, I'm tired of it. I hope for the love of God, Lamar Jackson beats the Chiefs so I don't have to see it anymore. I'm sure she's a nice person, but I'm tired of seeing it every single week. It's like half of the game, and then half is like Taylor Swift doing some weird dance with Patrick Mahomes' wife. Like, I'm tired of it. So I hope for the love of God he says, you're fired. I was going to get your Patreon. I hope for the love of God it's the Ravens and somebody else. We need a T-Swift coin. For the love of God and for all that is holy, I'm tired of the NFL just being like, Taylor Swift, Taylor Swift. I'm like, bro, I'm just trying to watch the game. I'm pretty sure, like, if you're a conspiracy theory person, what's the Super Bowl? Like they have the Ravens logo. What's the logo? Yeah, it's the Ravens and the Niners. Like if you're based off of the if you believe this, it's the Ravens and the Niners. And if you believe this, it would be the Niners would be the ones that win. which could, like, you know, take your dose of Taylor Swift medicine. Yeah. So there you go. The Niners are going to win it all. But I'm tired of hearing about Brock Purdy too. I'm rooting for the Ravens, and that's weird to say because I'm a Browns fan. But I like Lamar. He's cool. He's not with the program. He just Kelsey went downhill because of that. Yeah, like she sucked the talent right out of him. So I'm rooting for the Ravens. He said, yo, that would do really well. I'm rooting for the Ravens, which is weird to say because I'm a Browns fan, but I don't want to see about Brock Purdy being the GOAT. And I definitely don't want to see Taylor Swift in the Super Bowl. Don't the Browns always lose? We made it to the playoffs with Joe Flacco, 39-year-old. We didn't have our starting running back. We didn't have our starting quarterback, our starting left tackle, our starting right tackle. All pro players, and we still made it to the playoffs. Don't kick me out, please. Go Lions. It'd be dope to see the Lions win too. Yeah, I think I would like to see a Lions versus Ravens Super Bowl. That would be the cool one. That would be like the America's Super Bowl. Joe fell apart. Yeah, we knew he was due. But I mean, like, this would be like if you were to decode this, if it was the Niners and Ravens, I would pick the Niners because it would tell you like the Niners are the gold, like the 49ers. They were the gold miners in 1949 or 1849. Was it 1849 or 1949? I think it was 1849. It would be maybe like reference to the gold standard and going to the new standard, the Bitcoin standard, the gold. Yeah, 1849. So that would be like your decoding, like preemptive. I would pick the Niners to win because it would be in reference to like how things are going to be moving. Because I think that this is like they tell you like, I do think that this is in the sort of overall, not just the script of people are like, oh, it's scripted. It's like, no, bro, the whole reality is scripted. Like, enjoy the show. Enjoy the show. I'm starting to question the game now. Vegas is involved. Yeah, not just the Super Bowl is scripted. The entire reality is scripted. And you're the scripter. Enjoy the show. All right, what other coins? Shill me your low market cap gems. They could be DGen coins. Let me know. And we're at 9,600 likes. Spam that like button. Let's get this thing to 10K likes. We'll do another giveaway. Manta. all the Matrix. Raven. Yeah, someone else said Raven. I've never heard anyone ever talk about Raven. Myra. Let's look. I have a lot of Raven actually. But it's funny because I've heard 2 people talk about it today. All right, Manta. What we got here? 1 Billy. You love to see that. That's my favorite. What will Chainlink do in the bull run? I think it's going to do about 128. Blockchain on Ethereum. Okay. I don't like Ethereum. Blockchain on Solana, blockchain on Polygon, blockchain on Arbitrum would be better. I'm just kidding. I get it. They're first mover. What is this? For low gas fees. So this is a layer 2. Is that what this is? Davo on Saucer Swap. Let's look up Myra. We'll look at that one. Why do you hold Heath as one of your top 4 if you don't like it? Because the same reason I don't date any of my coins. I'm not in a relationship with any one of them. I'm here to have financial freedom. Doesn't matter what my opinion is. Here's my opinion. I think that Vitalik is evil. I hate what he did to the miners. I think that their stuff is shady. That they can have the whole Ethereum gate and they can literally go behind the network and say that a transaction never happened. That's shady to me. But I'm not here to like have my opinions. I'm here to have financial freedom. You broke up with Solana though? No, honestly, I like Solana more than I like Ethereum. Both ROI wise and fundamentally and sentiment wise. NXRA low cap. I'm married to Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin would be the only one I'd be married to. I actually like, yeah, Solana's. I'm not a Solana tick. What is this? This is a gaming coin. Oh shoot, we got cricket in here. Bro, let me play some cricket. Oh, you gotta follow the Discord. That's how they get you. I'm gonna buy some Solana when it gets about $50 or $60. But you aren't worried that it will hurt ETH? I'm not worried that it will hurt ETH. In what way? Do you think Sol can 10x from here? That's a good question. Let's see. Do I think Sol can 10x from here? Now, where I think it's going to go is minimum to $67. Minimum. And I think it's going to get into the 40s, into the 30s. That's what I think is going to happen. But from here, can it 10x? Let's see. Probably not. Maybe, actually. I mean, from here, you're looking at about a 9x. If we get to the 70s, which I think is a conservative pullback, the max you'd be looking at is about a 12x. Yeah, don't like anything, just trade it and make your profits. That's right. Like, don't be a relationship with anything. Mike 100, what do you mean? But aren't you worried that it will hurt ETH? What do you mean? I like NXRA. I think it's already, like, I'm waiting for a pullback on NXRA. I've already taken profit on NXRA. Yeah, this thing got all the way almost to the 2618. And we might have another little upthrust up here to the 21 cents. Not a bad, this isn't a bad place to accumulate it though, honestly. I'd pull a new fib though. You could be getting into the 50-cent range from here. I like an XRA. Three ULL. Number 686. Play games now. Use 3LL and its own network blockchain. Represents on Avalanche Network. Max supply of 50 billion. That's about the same as HBAR. So this is a... Have you ever thought to yourself, I wish I owned and could sell my in-game assets? Now you can. I've actually never thought that. Not even one time, but that's cool. If I could only get paid for playing games, you'd be a millionaire. Now you can. So this is like a play-to-earn game or coin. Look at that. This is exactly what you want from your influencer. Okay. Oh. Let's see. Where'd he go? Whoa, shit. Where'd he go? They don't want me zooming in on him like that or what? I don't know where he went. All right, what they got on the roadmap. This is what you want to see. Pre-launch, so January 22. Did they do all these things? Pre-launch marketing, games go live, 3,000 nodes, testing new games, CoinGecko, well, they're on CoinGecko. March. I don't like that they don't have anything else. Hey, they're done in March. Cool. All right, cool. What else? What do you consider low market caps? I would say anything 200 or below as far as like the ranking. Web3 gaming. Look up Root. All right, let's look at Root. This is number 2,400. This is a micro cap, but this says 0. So this isn't real. Oh, no, 0%. Okay. 86 million. Yeah, this is truly a micro cap right here. 12 billion Root is the maximum supply. What do we got here? More than just a blockchain, the Root network enables seamless user experience and assets interoperability across the open metaverse. I don't like how it doesn't let me scroll past it. A lot of keywords here, or what do you call them? Let's look at their white paper. I think I don't know. The metaverse to me is a cool concept, but I think it's way early. They got a trailer. You have to pray to the crystal god. Cool. All right, what else do we got? What else should I look at? We got Iron Fish, Mint Layer, bring DeFi and smart contracts to Bitcoin. That's cool. Let's look up Iron Fish. Yeah, this is a micro cap. 374 million. Total supply is 50 million iron. Self-reporting 19 million. Seamless and safe crypto. Ironfish encrypts every transaction, shielding your sensitive asset information from the public view. That's pretty cool. So this is a privacy coin, huh? This is the Onion, the Tor. I'm bullish on privacy. What's your thoughts on VET? I like VET. It's in my top 10. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. What was the other one? KARA TE. Karate Combat. 4.75 self-reported circulating supply. The maximum is 110 billion. Mint Layer. All right, what do we got here? This is just, what do they got? This is like an hour long. What is this? Is this literally like they just made a token for their event? What's going on here? Damn, they're going at it. Is this karate? This isn't karate. What's on our fingers? What is this? Best of all, you can't lose anything. Nothing to lose. I don't like when they say stuff like this. It's H-bar, huh? They show real combat fights. I'm bullish on combat fights. I think this is jiu-jitsu, though. I think this is like the submission-only jiu-jitsu. Oh, yeah, there's Hedera right there. I've seen this. There, yeah, there's H-bar right there. I've seen this because I remember saying, like, oh, look at that. Brought to you by H-bar and Brave. Brave browser. I'm telling y'all right now, Brave browser is, I'm bullish on Brave browser. Okay. Several small, medium market caps increase odds of more X's. Can Matic do a 3X from here? Yeah, for sure. Still micro. Still a micro cap. Joe Rogan loves karate. Rogan. What if that was like the Wish Joe Rogan? Rohan. Ski, what up, bro? You guys are shilling me your you guys are shilling me your. It's weird on their website they just have a. All right, we're gonna research this one some more just because it's interesting. It might be a scam. It might be something cool. I don't know, but it's intriguing to me. What's your top 10? Top 4 is Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Quant. That's my top 4. V Nizzle, thank you for the roses, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
G Swift, let me find out there's a Swifty coin. I know your boy Ski will like karate. What up, Jay? How's it going? G Swift. You guys are shilling me your low market caps right now. That's what's going on. Thoughts on Alpha IM? Thank you for the roses, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
1.4 bill. This is the Arbitrum, or this is Ethereum. Let me find out. This is a Swifty community. There it is, community. This is what is this? Tokenomics. Stay tuned. Smart contracts and games. %10 to stakers. Real yield. Thoughts on Pulse Chain? I like Pulse Chain. So what is this? Their tokenomics. A community-driven token that powers GameSwift's Web3 ecosystem and multi-modular chain. So 8.4% liquidity. Coming soon. We're working full speed. Let's see. What they got? They got a lot of followers. That's like 169,000 more followers than I have on Twitter. That's a lot of followers. That doesn't mean anything. But it's interesting. I've never even heard of them. Why do they have so many followers? Who's our favorite crypto bros? We got Crypto Mason here. We got the WSB Trader. And we got Nick. That's who we got. You think we'll see a Bitcoin dip? Yeah, I think so. Take a look at Jam on Hashpack Sauce. All right, let's take a look. Is this it? I think so. What do we got here? Maximum supply is 92 billion. That's a lot. When the music gets played, the artist gets paid. That's cool. All right, I'm gonna research this one. This one's interesting to me. That's all I'm writing down is interesting ones to research further. Literally just that's cool. Veracity, I like Veracity. Sounds like Audius. Could be. Governed by Google, IBM, Boeing, T-Mobile, Chainlink, LG. wallets, decent. Hashpack. My HBAR wallet. Partner, Saucer Swap. I'm bullish on Saucer Swap. I think it's called Mint Layer. Did I not look that one up? How many coins you invest in? Right now, I have like 15. But I'm looking to diversify my portfolio at this stage in the game. It's called Myra. All right, let's look at that one. You hate... Sound a little racist. Whoa, bro, chill. Mint Layer. Didn't I look at this one? Mint chocolate chip. Empowering Bitcoin with side chains. Mint Layer protocol eliminates Ethereum's flaws, because there are many, and enhances its features on Bitcoin's infrastructure. I would rather build on Bitcoin, if I'm being honest here. Tokenized enable growth, open source development. All right, we're gonna add this one to the interesting list. It could be something, it could be nothing. We're adding it to the interesting list. I'm going heavy into Beam. You the real deal, bro. Your predictions are insane. Hopefully they continue like that. Your boy Ski is the truth. Thank you, fam. Mint chocolate chip. Mint chocolate chip is underrated. The best ice cream is a raspberry chocolate chunk. Don't at me, bro. I like Beam too. Uh-oh, let me find out. I got another one. This is not a low market cap though. This is it's a medium. Whoa, am I getting hacked right now? What's going on, bro? I'm a beamer too. That sounds racist. No, I'm just kidding. Click anywhere to continue. I don't know if I want to. I'm scared. What do we got? Beam bridge. Don't hack me, bro. You guys all just got hacked. Thanks to Beam. Don't beam me, bro. Whoa, whoa, chill. You're on the dev webpage. It's a vending machine? What's going on here? The Beam Hub. Bro, let me find out I'm about to get banned. What kind of coin are you guys showing me? Beam me up, Scotty. You get greatest ice cream. Huge. Let me know. What's your guys' top ice creams? Most slept on ice creams. And continue to shill me your low market caps. What's your low market caps? Chocolate pistachio ice cream. Bro, are you 76? Superverse. No, I'm just kidding. Ben and Jerry's. Caramel salted pretzels with chocolate peanut butter. Okay. Now we're talking. Bro, you said peanut butter, I'm in. Did you already do super? Oh, didn't. Thoughts on Fetch AI? My favorite AI is Dynex. I think that, I don't know. Where are they getting their computing power? That's my only question. AI, is it like a buzzword AI? Where's their actual processing power coming from? Sidious. Turbo AI meme. Yeah, now is the point where I'm looking to actually add diversification to my portfolio. Superverse DAO. Imposters. Bro, is this a scam? It says imposter right there. It was the first ChatGPT developer crypto. Let me find out. TUR. I hope not, because it's 3% of my portfolio. I'm messing around. I don't know anything about it. 69 billion. Nice. Is this the right one? Oh shit, look at this frog. Turbo toads. This thing's about to make me have a little seizure. How to buy Turbo? He's so cute. I want to buy one. That's a nice cigar right there. I might smoke a cigar. AI inspired, AI guided, creativity unleashed. Check out Alt Layer Low Cap. They got a new website yesterday. It was not like it was not like this. ALT. Number 132. Roll-ups ecosystem. What is this? This is a DEX. Test it out. I don't know if I want to. Data lake. All right, let's look at it. Sidious. All right. Turbo didn't look very adult. $3,200. 7.5 billion lake. Ethical data for healthier and longer lives. What does that mean? What's unethical data? It's not supposed to be an adult. That's facts. Products and services. I like this website. We'd love to hear from you. All right, who wants to sacrifice their name and email? Let us know what they say. Just kidding. I like their website. What is this? DSI? They don't share your info. Is Bitcoin going to dump? I think so. Into the 35s. It might not be tomorrow, but that's where we're going. Sovi. All right, what was the other one? Sidious. Let's look at Sidious. Yeah, this is Show Me Your Low Caps Friday. SI. Where did it go? Number 537. Sidious did well last cycle. 22 billion. This is a gaming coin. LP farming. Staking 5.0. Don't miss out. The best emerging project of 2023. It's 2024, son. No, I'm just kidding. Solve. Or, I don't know. I don't have any thoughts on it. 100 billion. No, 100 million. I was like, there's no way. Decentralized Bitcoin trading and lending platform. Okay. This is a cool service. I don't know if you need a token for it other than liquidity. Stake SOV and earn 2.6% APY. Earn up to 20% APY and AM. Lend. Connect your wallet. Yeah, this is like a DEX. Borrow. Fixed interest loans. Let me get some Bitcoin. How much? Borrow Bitcoin for 3.26%. That's actually not bad. Let me get a new loan, bro. Accepted collateral. What do they got? Oh, you have to collateralize your loan. Okay. Okay. That makes sense. But this is how, I mean, technically, this is how you could get something without, you know, this is how you would buy something without having a taxable event, in theory. What's the difference between V1 and V2 liquidity pools on Saucer Swap? It's just they've had more. There's just different pools. So this is V1 is like the originals, I guess. Wonder what the highest AP. These are actually V2 might be, I don't think there's much of a difference other than other. I think the V2, I don't know, to be honest. They're just different. I think they might be on a different network. Wrapped ETH and USDC is 90% APY right now. That's insane. USDC and wrapped Bitcoin is 93%. That's even more insane. I think that V2 doesn't have as much liquidity. For sure it doesn't have as much liquidity. So that's a danger, you know. So like HBAR has 14 million of HBAR to HBAR X, it has 14 million of liquidity. So like, but if you go down, the further you go down, that's still pretty good. I do this one, Saucer Swap and HBAR, you get 53% APR. Because the thing about when you're in a liquidity pool, if one goes up, realistically, you want them both to go up or down at the same time. Because if one goes up really high, then it has to balance it out. You have to have the same US dollar amount. So I like Sauce and HBAR because realistically, they're going to move together. Let's look at some of these. 88.85. Sauce and Sauce Inu. Less than 1%. Earth and Moon. You don't get nothing for Earth and Moon. Chainlink and HBAR is 20%. We got Gilf. 104 for USDC and HBAR. Oh, but that's a layer 2. These always change. Can you look at MMF? Love your stuff, AA Ron. Thank you. 3 a.m. here. I'm out. Have fun. Peace. Sweatshirts. I do have sweatshirts. You can find all my merchandise in my website. Let me look. Are you asking me, Caesar, are you asking me for the price on this or me to just like research it like I am? That's what happened with my LCX and HBAR. LCX went up higher. Yeah, that's the thing to keep in mind when you're doing liquidity mining. Nothing, like there's no, you know, I don't know. There's no, nothing has zero risk. Research. All right. Should I go all in when we're at 35K? That's when I'm going to be going all in. But I'm going to also continue to dollar cost average, even right now. This is Kronos. Is this the one? Max supply of 500 million. Is this like a Kronos meme coin? What is this? Join the madness. Trade and earn crypto on the fastest growing DEX on Arbitrum. Is it Arbitrum or is it Kronos? Another website. Oh, this is a DEX. Okay. It's on Arbitrum. So they have Kronos, Arbitrum, and Polygon. Yeah, I like DEXs. Only 500 million. That's pretty low. Earn. So this isn't just like Saucer Swap, but it's like for Kronos. I stake Sauce and USD. Yeah, I do a lot of different ones. I have too many things open right now. Where did it go? $1,100% APY. Oh, Jesus Christ. This thing's brand new, huh? But like, here's the thing. There's only there's like no liquidity on this thing. That's why. This thing must be like brand new. This is on Arbitrum though. Oh, there's a lot more liquidity on Crow. Way more liquidity. It's just Arbitrum is brand new, not Crow. Yeah, I like DEXs. I think DEXs are cool. DEXs are cool. Oh. When did my phone die? You guys didn't even tell me. Hey, Boyski, could you do Rose bull run profit levels? Thought I had one on here. You're talking about 38 cents as high as 199. All right, guys, I'm going to have some dinner. And I'm going to work on the Patreon video after that. So if you guys want to subscribe to the Patreon, help support the channel, you can do so. I'll probably be live tomorrow. Yeah, I think I'll be live tomorrow. But all right, guys, I appreciate every single one of you guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. I'm never going to message you first. Those are scammers. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace, love, prosperity, God first. God bless. I'm out.
Damn, hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling.